So it's July 17th right now. It's 10:43 in the morning, Monday morning, 2023. And I just made another huge discovery as far as science goes for protecting our health. Everybody that doesn't want to get cancer from cell phones, keep watching. So my phone has been hacked numerous times. In the last month I've reset this thing over 5 times, and I need to reset it again. And I'm going to make another video after it's reset, and we'll see if we get the same amount of signal coming in. It's just that simple. So we're in airplane mode right now, and we're sitting at 0.5 microteslas, or 1.5 milligauss on this EMF meter. And you're going to see this reading go up literally 1,333 times what it is right now. So this is already not ideal. And right when I take my phone off airplane mode, it's going to literally go up almost 1,500 times what it currently is as far as safety levels. Just watch. So this is maxing out now. And it does this consistently the entire time this phone is connected to the mobile network. Now I'm going to turn off the mobile signal going to my phone. So now I can't even receive a phone call. But look what it does to the environment. It makes it that much healthier. Now I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi signal. This isn't a good solution though, and I'll tell you why in a moment. Well, I'll tell you why now actually. Why it's not a good solution is because these people are hacking me every single day. They've hacked my entire server. Every time I call my internet service provider, my router is literally not even connected to their network. That's the level of hack that this is. So it's being allowed and enabled on all levels. Las Vegas hosts DEF CON. Chooses lawlessness for money. Okay? And what they do behind the scenes with hacking is absolutely criminal. So turn off my Wi-Fi and again show you this jump up 1,333 times to an extremely unhealthy limit the second I turn on my mobile networking. So that is scientific fact that we are being intentionally irradiated by the people that are selling us these shitty ass smartphones. And you're going to be isolated without one. You might not even be able to get employed without one. So this is just regular use of a telephone, and you see how it's generating a harmful EMF constantly, more than once a second. And the second we go into airplane mode, watch with me now. It'll kill that signal. So I'm still being targeted. I'm still being hit with radio frequency. But as far as what's in my control right now, it is in my control to keep my phone on airplane mode. However, now I can't receive text messages, phone calls, that sort of thing. So it is a huge problem. The way that these phones are irradiating us, it is not necessary. This amount of energy transmitting out of this should have been checked by the FCC. This should not be emitting this amount of field. There should be other safety things in place. I don't care if this phone is the difference between Korea surviving or not in the economy. I don't give a fuck. If you're irradiating us, it needs to stop. And this is a harmful level of irradiation to our environment. Look, right when I take this off airplane mode, immediately maxes it out. So this is false claims. To say that this is safe is false claims. It is not safe, and you can see for yourself that that is not safe. This is a $15 meter. You can do the same test at your house for $15. Look it up on eBay. EMF meter, looks like a rainbow, can't miss it. False claims. Android, false claims. This is toxic to my environment.